My name is Muhammad Nur Fahmi. Here I make a statement about conversation. Excuse me. Yes, madam. I'm going to the court, but I do not know how to get there. Could you tell me where it is? Please. Sure. It is on Exie Road. You can go down this at past the first coast road, then take the first turning to the left. The district court of justice is across the RC Bank. You can't miss it. Thank you. Is there anything that I can help you with? You said that you were going in the court. Perhaps there is something I can help you. I am a law student. Yes, I am going to report my husband for domestic violence and court. Oh, will you? Sure. You can go and see the administrative court officer in the court. Thank you. Good morning. Morning. How can I help you? Yes, I'm going to bring a divorce suit against my spouse to court. Anyway, what is the matter? My husband has committed a domestic violence to me. I'm starting to get angry with him because I can bear on it. Well, wait for a moment. I will read you up your compilation. Could you be more specific on the domestic violence that he has done for you? He did a physical violence such as he always beats me, and the other things he did were he rarely give me money for our daily needs. Sometimes he don't come home without a notice. He often gets drunk, and he does care for our children anymore. I frequently fight with other women. He forgets about his family. I usually keep quiet and try to be patient. But now I can't bear it any longer. It makes me blood boil when this sort of thing happens. I told him that he don't like the way he does, but he didn't listen. I have made me mean to get a divorce from him, and I am intending to sue him. I will initiate the court proceeding. That's why I am coming to this court. Will madam try to lock on the brake set? Anyway, you can take this matter to the court and sue him. Did you bring a formal compilation to submit? There you are. Well, first, you have to file your complaint and register. We will gather all the evidence in the first case from both of you. The trick? Of course, you are required to fill out the application form and the divorce form as well. If you're having trouble filling out the form, I will help you to complete the paperwork if you need it. After that, you have to pay for the court fee. I have finished. Good. We will give you a copy of each form. Make sure that you keep a copy for your record. When will I know the court hearing session? Well, before the trial is conducted, the court he will look at the case and then appoint the presiding judge head and judge members as who will preside over the proceeding when the case comes up for trial, or will be held in court. After that, we will set up the trial date for the case. Okay. How can I know when the trial will be conducted? After all the documents have been received, complete process and reviewed through several steps, then we will issue a summons to both of you as an official letter. Within the next few weeks, you and your husband must obey a summons and serve a summons on somebody. A trick? Yes, we will also call you to ensure both of you have received a summons and confirmed you coming to the trial. You will have to attend several hearing sessions to give evidence before the judges pass the sentence as a final verdict. Who will come for the trial during the hearing session? You, yourself, your spouse, and your children. We will also call your children to attend the trial as the witness for questioning the witness in this domestic violence case. The witnesses will be sworn in before they give testimony. Yes, both of you will be tried in the first proceeding. The case begins when a plaintiff that you who bring a legal action in a domestic violence against your spouse. Does a judge conduct the trial? Well, you will be stated in court. Then the prosecutor will read out your complaint and accusation of the domestic violence against the accused. Will the judge listen to? The judge also will listen to your children's testimony. So it is very important that your children, the judge not the facts about what your children witnessed. The children will have to agree to give their testimony and have to agree to give their testimony in court. Before the children give testimony, they have to be under oath. They have to be under oath when they have promised to be under oath when they have promised to tell the truth in court. They are sworn in. They are not allowed when they are under oath. Even if both parties do not agree the other argument, your husband or you yourself can argue for any complaints you raise against your case if either your husband or you think the complaints are unjustified. Your husband can confront you with the domestic violence accusation that you report about. And he? Sure, he can. How can the judges make a final verdict? Well, the judges will decide after listening to all statements then and consider was evidence or facts are weak or strong, then finally pass the sentence to the guilty. Will the court conduct a trial right away after the judge brought to the Court of Justice? Usually at the beginning of the session, the judge will offer both of you a mediation and an agreement whether this case is to be continued or not. What is the goal of mediation? To find a resolution which both parties of you and your husband believe is fair. The judge is the one who acts as the mediator and is a kind of neutral party. The mediator does not favor either side but acts as does not the voice of reason and assists the parties in reaching a mutual agreement. See, how does the judge make the mediation? The judge will see if both parties are willing to cooperate. What happens if either side of the party maintain a nothing approach? Probably the parties fail to reach the mediation. How can the mediation fail? Probably the option of resolution offered are not fair in accordance with the interest of faith of party. That makes sense. Yes, but I would suggest that you take your case to a legal aid bureau. There you can case to a legal aid bureau. There you can consult with an attorney who deals with such cases in the law court and you will get legal advice. The attorney can formulate legal advice. The attorney can formulate defense or to initiate legal action. Sound good? Will, thank you for the information and the advice. I am looking forward to having the session. Thank you.